Is your service interval light on in your 2021-2023 Hyundai Elantra? This video shows you how to reset it yourself, saving time and money. The Oil Life Monitoring System tracks your oil quality based on mileage, engine hours, and driving conditions. When the light comes on, typically with 10 to 15% oil life remaining, it's time to take action. This reset is for 2021-2023 models, including N-line and hybrid variants, although slight variations may exist, so always check your owner's manual. Note, resetting without changing your oil will lead to inaccurate readings and potential engine damage. First, ensure your Elantra is parked and the ignition is in the on position, but the engine is off. Next, use the steering wheel buttons or touchscreen to navigate to the Vehicle Settings or Service Interval menu. Select Oil Change or Reset Oil Life, then confirm by pressing OK or Reset. The system will display Oil Life Reset Complete. That's it. No special tools are required. Remember to always perform this reset after an oil change to maintain warranty compliance and accurate readings. Doing this yourself can save you 20 to 30% on maintenance costs compared to a dealership.